Welcome to the Hybrid Geek. We're thrilled to have you join our growing family of innovators, problem solvers, and yes, passionate geeks. I'm Adrian Castillo, General Manager here at the Hybrid Geek, and it's my pleasure to welcome you to the team. Our company is built on a passion for hybrid technology, a commitment to sustainability, and a drive for innovation. But most importantly, it's built on people like you. People who bring fresh ideas, curiosity, and a willingness to grow. At the Hybrid Geek, you're not just an employee or a contractor, you're a contributor, an essential part of what makes our company thrive. We believe in empowering our people, supporting continuous learning, and making sure every voice is heard. Whether you're here to revolutionize hybrid battery solutions, support customers, or streamline operations, your work matters. And we're here to help you succeed. Welcome to the Hybrid Geek. Engineered by geeks, trusted by drivers. Since 2016, we've been on a mission to make hybrid battery replacement smarter, easier, and more sustainable. From free mobile installation to personalized customer support, our team is committed to delivering reliable, cost-effective solutions without compromise. Behind every battery we build and every vehicle we service is a team of engineers, technicians, and contributors who care deeply about quality, innovation, and doing the right thing. At the Hybrid Geek, we live by one mission: to drive growth through innovation, deliver excellence, empower our contributors and customers, share knowledge, and create sustainable solutions, one battery at a time. That's the heart of our Geeks' values. G, grit. We don't quit. We push through challenges and get things done, right? E, excellence. We set the bar high. Quality, precision, and reliability always come first. E, execution. We move fast, make smart decisions, and drive results. K, Kaizen. We believe in continuous improvement. Every process can get better, and we make it happen. S, sustainability. We think long-term, reducing waste, extending battery life, and building a greener future. We're not just another battery company, we're the Hybrid Geek. We obsess over every volt, circuit, and connection, so our customers don't have to. And we believe in building a culture where innovation thrives. We reward curiosity and creative problem solving. People come first. Your growth and well-being matter. Collaboration is key. We lift each other up and achieve more together. Geekiness is celebrated. Bring your passion and knowledge. We're here for it. You'll find that working here means being part of something bigger, a team that's shaping the future of hybrid technology and making sustainability more accessible for drivers everywhere. We also hold ourselves to the highest standards. Our code of ethics is a commitment to integrity, transparency, and respect every day in every interaction. That means acting honestly and delivering on our promises, putting customer safety and satisfaction first, fostering a respectful, inclusive, and harassment-free workplace, protecting data, using resources responsibly, and always thinking long-term. Not sure if a decision aligns with our values? Ask yourself, does it support our GEEKS principles? Would I be proud if this decision were made public? Does it follow company policies and the law? Is it the right thing for our customers, our team, and our mission? If you're ever unsure, just ask. We're here to support you. At the Hybrid Geek, we don't have employees. We have contributors, and every contributor plays a key role in protecting our company's reputation, culture, and future. Here's what we ask from you. Be financially responsible, use resources wisely, and report misuse. Follow trade and compliance regulations. Protect company property, digital, physical, and intellectual. don't speak on behalf of the company unless authorized. For media or public inquiries, refer to leadership. Together, we build trust, protect our brand, and keep raising the bar for what hybrid battery service should be. Your safety, well-being, and success are our top priorities. We're committed to health and safety, follow all safety protocols and report concerns, workplace respect, treat everyone with dignity and professionalism. Privacy and security, handle sensitive information with care. Social responsibility, be mindful of our impact on the planet and the communities we serve. We're here to support you every step of the way. If you need anything, here's where to go. Your manager or mentor for day-to-day support and guidance. The HR team for policies, benefits, and workplace questions. IT support for tech issues and access. Company resources for training, processes, and FAQs. So once again, welcome to the Hybrid Geek. You're now part of a team that's changing the hybrid battery industry with grit, integrity, and heart. We can't wait to see the impact you'll make. Let's grow, learn, and build something amazing together.